Hey guys, it's Redo, and I wanted to show you guys my new pressure washer. I made a video a couple of months ago, thinking whether I should buy the Kranzle 1122TST or the RLW 767 RLW. And so the biggest difference between this one and the RLW is just the basic specs, right? Kranzle 1122TST 1500 to 1400 psi and 2.1 GPM. The RLW one is 1900 psi and a 2.1 GPM as well. Now, about those specs, really the clear winner is the RLW, but the Kranzle has a 50 feet hose, and it also only needs a 15 amp socket. So you can see here, out. You can see here that it doesn't have like the letter T, right? So you can plug this to any, or at least pretty much all of your wall sockets, right? So like right here, right, this will work for me, but it's not gonna work for the RLW, and that sucks, right? So that's the reason why I went with this one. It's a little weaker, I guess, compared to the RLW, right? 1500 versus 1900, but to me, 1500 or 1400 is plentiful enough to clean, the M2 and the house itself, right? I've used this with the Civic as well, and it worked out pretty well. Let's see what else. Price point, right? Kranzle cost me like around 1200, including the quick connect and shipping and tax included. If I buy the RLW one, the 767 RLW, it's going to cost me $200 less. But that's not accounting for adding a 30 amp outlet. So to me, this is like the best choice, and I've used it for quite some time now, and I'm really happy about it. And like compared to, you can see like I'm kind of Ryobi here, but compared to like their pressure washers, this is extremely quiet. The Ryobi one, it's just really loud. And so for this one, if I bring this out, in our driveway and I start using it, as soon as I go around my house, you're not going to be able to hear it. You're going to be able to hear the water, but you're not going to be able to hear the pump. And so I'm really concerned about the noise, because I don't want to, bother my neighbors if I start using this early in the morning. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully, if you're wondering whether you should buy an RLW 767 or a Kranzle 1122TST, I hope this video helped at least answer your questions. I know a lot of people are wondering, like which one should I buy, right? And again, if you have a 15 amp, probably Kranzle is better for you. And if you have a 30 amp, then go ahead with the RLW. Just make sure that you replace, or at least the 25 feet hose reel is enough for you.